and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing the first of a few Christmas related videos this year, and today we are going to be starting off cleaning and decorating my master bedroom. So this is what our master bedroom was looking like when I started this video. We've got multiple baskets of laundry just lying about that needed to be folded and put away. I even had a suitcase in here that I needed to get rid of, some blankets to put away, and my bed had been unmade because I knew I was going to strip it off and remake it very soon, and there was just stuff everywhere. So the first thing that I did decide to do was to strip the bed and remake it so it was nice, clean and fresh, and then I was going to tackle the washing.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La da da da. Oh, oh. Oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So while I'm tackling this folding extravaganza that I've got going on over here, I thought I'd just mention that this stand in the background that you're seeing with our TV on it is not a permanent thing. I honestly hate it there, but it was just a temporary thing in the meantime when we changed our room around to see how we liked it, because we've moved the room to fit the baby. but it's going to go, the TV is going to go back up on the wall, and that is going to be out because I don't love it. It doesn't match and it takes up room. So I thought I'd just mention that it's not a permanent thing if you're looking at it and going, that's a bit weird.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
So now that I got the folding done, it was time to give both bedside tables a really good wipe down and get them prepped and ready for doing a little bit of light decorating on them.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the Sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
And now that both bedside tables were done, it was time for me to move into a master bath. And the only thing that I added in here was some red festive towels that just sort of go with the festive feeling of Christmas. And I changed out the wax in my Scentsy warmer to a more Christmassy kind of a scent.
What we're gonna do, I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is is to spend this day with you. Let me give
So something that I really wanted to do for a decoration, and the main decoration for our master bedroom, was to put a garland across the top of our bed head, because it was literally the perfect flat surface to put one, and I thought it would just look absolutely stunning, but I couldn't find one that I liked, so I ended up DIYing my own, and consisted of me getting these two garlands here from Kmart and winding them loosely together. I didn't force anything, it was just sort of loosely bound round together, and I fluffed it out, and I just strung some fairy lights that I already had over the top, and that was that. But I did try to get myself making it, and unfortunately the clip cut out and I hadn't realised until I was done, but you'll see the finished product here in a second.
so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Time is short, we blink and then it's gone, so we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Other thing I did was add this little string of gnomes and pom-poms, just to add a little bit of extra something to the top of our bed. But that was everything I did for our master bedroom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da. Ba 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 da ba ba. Yeah, ba 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 ba. Come on in, get together. Come on in, nothing better. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.